Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix links that are not opening in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once that's confirmed, open the Play Store and search for Google Chrome. If you see an update button, go ahead and update the app to the latest version. Keeping Chrome up to date can solve many issues, including problems with links not opening. Next, go back to your home screen and long press the Chrome icon. Then tap on App Info. On this page, scroll down and tap on Clear Data. Then choose Clear Cache and confirm by tapping OK. Now relaunch Google Chrome and try opening the links again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.